Hi, my name's Mark Whitmarsh. I'm the Technical Operations Manager for HOBART Service. HOBART Service are the market leaders in the catering industry, providing kitchen equipment installation, maintenance and service contracts throughout the UK. If your dishwasher's been out of use for a considerable amount of time or not been shut down properly, the chemical hoses may be blocked with crystallised detergent. Here's how to unblock the chemical hoses and flush them through. First, try to pull detergent through to unblock. Leave the hoses where they are and follow these instructions on the user interface. Select the chef's menu. You need to input the PIN, which is 1111. Then select chemical setting, and then you'll need to select fill chemical hoses, which you will then input yes. If this doesn't work, try flushing the chemical lines with warm water. Take the hoses from the detergent bottles and drop into a bucket of warm water. Then repeat the process. If this works, great. Now you'll need to prime the chemical lines again with the detergent. Pop the hoses back into the chemical containers. Follow this process again and you should be good to go. If they're still blocked, then you can try and repeat the process again. If you have no luck, then call our service response team, who will book a technician to come out to you ASAP.